Hey guys, so today I thought I'd talk about First Aid Beauty. I did a little rant the other day about their formulation changes, and a lot of you left comments, and it's actually not unique just to this product that they kind of, in my opinion, watered the formula down, moved the preservatives way high up the list, took out some of the good ingredients, and then the other good ingredients moved way down the list to very small amounts. So this was one of them. I love it. Their First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. They moved phenoxyethanol up to pretty high up the ingredient list, took out the peptide I really liked in there, moved the oatmeal and other things way down the list. So, and then didn't mention it. There's no like little star on the bottle, no new formula, no mention. But a lot of you guys left comments about it, and it appears that they did this with other products of theirs. Their Ultra Intense Hydrating Cream, which is a big seller. They changed the eucalyptus extract to eucalyptus oil. And then they market it to sensitive skin. I mean, I think this says on here somewhere on their packaging, great for sensitive skin, no artificial fragrance. Yeah, they put that on everything. But in my opinion, at this point, First Aid Beauty isn't that friendly to sensitive skin. It's kind of become a real bummer. But so I did that with their cream. And then they also did it with their toner, which a lot of people love. Their oat toner, which I just didn't love it, but a lot of people really liked it. But their wild oat hydrating toner, they did the exact same thing. They moved phenoxyethanol way up high on the list. They took out some of the good ingredients and then moved the other good ingredients way down the list. So they also did it to their toner about this sometime last year, late last year. They've done it to their cream. They've done it to their serum now. And at this point, I'm a little disappointed in First Aid Beauty that they've done this. It's just disappointing to see brands. And I kind of think this was done in a sneaky way because they didn't mention it. There's no little star where they say updated formula or upgraded formula because they're going to try and say it's a better formula. But really, they took some of the good ingredients, reduced those to minuscule amounts, took out some of the good ingredients that people loved altogether, and then moved the preservatives way high up, which I have no problem with preservatives, but when it's like the third ingredient, I mean, that's what your skin is getting most of, water, glycerin, and preservatives. It's not the peptides, it's not the oat, the honey, and things like that. So I'm just disappointed. So now I know that right off the bat with 3 of their big products, they've done that. The toner, the cream, and the serum. So I'm kind of curious to see what else they're doing with some of their other products. So I'm going to have to do some digging. But at this point, I know I've recommended their serum to everybody, but at this point I would not recommend anybody pick it up because at this point I don't even want to use the new formulation just because it's not impressive. I can find a much better serum. I will find a much better serum for 1/10 of the price with better ingredients, and it's possible. I'm going to do it. It's going to be work. It's not going to be enjoyable, but I'm going to do it. I'm up to this challenge, but anyway. So at this point, First Aid Beauty, they're on my list. I'm keeping an eye on you if you're watching this. Just so you know. And a lot of the new products they've come out with recently just haven't been that great or exciting. So, I don't know. I saw they have a new mask coming out, calamine mask, which calamine can be calming for skin, but it's not meant to be used every single day. So, anyway, I'm a little bit concerned about that, but anyway, so those are my thoughts. I'm interested if you guys have noticed anything with any of their other products. I want to know, because then I can alert everybody. But at this point, their toner, their cream, and their serum, I probably wouldn't recommend it, especially for anybody with very sensitive skin. So anyway, those are my thoughts today. Leave a comment. You guys helped me so much find out all the other products that were changing. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more later. Thank you so much.